Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In this video, we're going to be doing an audio demo of Parasound's Halo HINT6 integrated amplifier. But before we jump into the video, if you're into home theater audio and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alright guys, well first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for your patience over the past week. The reason why I haven't uploaded many videos, actually I haven't uploaded any videos, is because of two reasons. Number one, our family went on an amazing vacation down to the Bahamas. We actually took 16 of our family members. My grandma, she was 94 years old. She went with us. My sister and brother-in-law, a bunch of different family members, including my family. And we just had a great relaxing time. So that was part of the reason. And the second reason is I started a new job and I'm super excited about that. It's going to be incredible. It's a totally different career path, but I'm super excited because I get to use my gifts and my talents and abilities in graphic design, web design, video editing, and do it to help children that are in need. And so I'm really excited about that. And so anyway, let's go ahead and jump into the video. What I wanted to do, I'm actually in the process of finalizing my review on Parasound's Halo integrated amplifier called the HINT6. And so hopefully I'll be able to finish that video up this weekend and maybe get that uploaded by Monday. And so look for that video coming up. So in this video, we're going to play 4 clips from different tracks, different kind of styles of music. I just thought that would be kind of cool to hear how different ones sound on the HINT6. You're going to be hearing the HINT6 paired up with Klipsch's RF7 version 3, their floor standing speakers, their reference series. And so it's an incredible combination. I'm really excited about Parasound, the HINT6. It's a beautiful piece, and so I'm looking forward to sharing that review with you very soon. So guys, sit back, put on your headphones, hook it up to your great stereo sound, and let's hear some demos.
Just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little, right here in the middle. best look on.
All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed those demos. I know it's difficult to hear exactly what I'm hearing in my own listening room, but hopefully you get an idea of what the Parasound HINT6 sounds like. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because I produce weekly content on home theater, audio, and video and give you tips and tricks on how to optimize your setup. Well, guys, God bless you. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you in the next video.